Now I would like to speak about a combination of quotation marks. What does it mean? For example, you have this text and you would like to print it out to the terminal. So you will write print, some quotation marks, and this text, right? I will copy it, put it here. Okay, but you can see it's an error here. Why? Because you combined the same type of quotation marks. So this quotation mark means that it starts, or the text starts here. But these quotation marks mean that the text ends here, okay? But Python doesn't know what is the rest of the text. What does it mean? Why it is there? So if you would like to write something like this, you can't have the same quotes or the same quotation marks, okay? So what is the solution? The solution would be, for example, you can put it here single quotation marks, and here you have to put double quotation marks, okay? And this is absolutely okay. Or the second option is that you change the quotation marks here and here, okay? But you can have the same quotation marks, okay, between the same quotation marks, okay? So it means you need to combine quotation marks like this or like this. And now if you run it, everything is absolutely okay.